Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? So actually this is a class that I started with my student, and we have a challenge that we are going to be going, and we have this challenge that it is already moving. And you can see I have a very small account over here. The account has a balance of 21.29, but actually, do you know how much I deposited? I deposited only 2000 Kenya shillings, that is $16.69. But the challenge we have is that we are going to raise this money from 2000 and we are going to 6000, and then from 6000 we are going to raise this account to 10,000 Kenya shillings, that are about 80 something, 80 or 90 to 100. Actually we were challenged to reach to $100. So as you can see, I'm timing because this is a more small account. So if you can just see a small account just making like $4, that's amazing. Yeah, that's more than 50%, like almost 25%. Because like you can see right over here, there is a trend that is running, and I'm going to close this. But because it's a small account, I just have to time it, because of Lindy my take profit has not reached. But I'm not greedy. The moment I just acquire my target, I always close. So you can see right over here, I just wanted to reach 4. You can see it just counting up there. So I'm just waiting for it to reach the amount I just wanted to reach, so that I can just close the trend out manually and very fast. Yeah, so that's why I'm making this video, is that you can just watch this. Actually you can just join the challenge. Maybe we can just join the challenge, because it's very interesting. Racing from $60 up to $100, that amazing, because there are a lot of skills that you have to learn on the way, maybe for you to reach there. So that's amazing, because the people have just, because I've taught them how to trend, and I just want to know how much they are going to make, and the skills that they have applied, and we'll be checking the account right after maybe 1 week. Yeah, that is what we have, 1 week to 2 weeks. That is the time frame that we have. You can see my account is just dropping, but I will just be waiting it to come again back, and the moment is at 84 again. I'm just going to close. Yeah, that's what I'm just waiting to time and close. So you cannot just close an hour, you just have maybe to wait and time the market, and then you just close. Yeah, so I'm using MT4. Actually, do you know what happens for me? I always make the moment and just open a trend on the live account. I always open the same account on the demo account. Yeah, because I don't know, but I don't check my live account. I always check my demo account. The time I just want, even just want to know what is going on, I don't check on my live account. I always check on my demo account. I don't know, but that's what I normally do. But I see it working. I always see it working. Yeah, maybe even just need more information on that. I cannot even explain why. So you can see account is rising again, and the moment it hit my target, I think my target is 4 here, $4. Actually $4 is around 500 Kenya shillings. 4. Yeah, just imagine you have 2000 Kenya shillings, and then you make 500 Kenya shillings using 200. Even if it is 24 hours, then it's that a big amount of money. Yeah, but you also have also know that there are some risk involved, but the moment you're just making that amount of money, then that is good. And actually, I don't risk a lot of money. 2000 Kenya shillings is a lot of money, but you cannot kill yourself because of that money. So you can see I have to close that, and I wait again. I close that, and then I close this, because my target already reached. So I'm going to close the moment it reached below 0.22, so that I can have so close. So you can see I have my $25.12 right over there. So my target reached for today meant $4, not only for them, because I'll be opening another trend. Now let's just go to the demo account and see what is happening on my demo account. You can see my demo account. I've already made over $7,000. Yeah, so I'm really going to close even this, because already, even if yeah, everything is green, even if there's a loss, I will close. I close that, I close that, you close that, and close that. So you can see it's just very interesting. And actually I'll be sharing the this technical analysis that I just used, the analysis that I just used to trend, and it's very interesting. But for now, we are just doing this challenge. I also have classes that run from 6 p.m. To around 9 p.m. If you're just interested, actually for these 2 weeks I'll be doing that, and I'm doing it with only 1,000 Kenya shillings, 1,000 Kenya shillings, and then you can just join an introduction class, there's a medium class, and there's an advanced class. That means if you have a phone internet connection and 1,000 Kenya shillings, you can just join one of the class, that is introduction class, and then you will just be able even to start your first trend. That's amazing, because there are a lot of money you can just make. So if you just go to my overview right over here, you can see my profit already. I've made a profit of 17.11, and you can see my total deposit right over here. You can see all this profit, you can see all this profit. You can just calculate 2111. Actually there are few that have closed with a negative, but you can see the negative, you see negative 26 right over here is a withdrawal. Yeah, that is a withdrawal, not a loss. And you can see all this profit. So actually if I had a lot of money on this account, I could have made a lot and a lot of money, but I just want to do this challenge with a little amount of money, yeah, for this account. So you can see what is going right over here. So you can see I just used more strategy actually of but actually the market will just be coming right over here. It's something you have to check, and it's going to happen, because the euro is going to drop out